Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Esther Honeymate, and today we're going to be talking about objects in the house. Nǹkan inú ilé. Can you say that again? Nǹkan inú ilé. I can hear you. Nǹkan inú ilé. Fantastic work. Well done. So, the first item on our screen today is abọ́. Can you say it? Abo. Do you know that a plate is called abo in Yoruba? Well, if you don't know, now you do. At the end of this video, I want to know how many items you know in Yoruba. Okay. The next one is ilẹ̀kùn. I can hear you. Ilẹ̀kùn. Good job. Now that is fantastic. Kushe. The next one is shibi. Can you say that? Shibi. We call spoon in Yoruba shibi. Can you say that one more time? Great work. Ekoshe. The next word is chair. Aga. Do you know this word before? Okay, but that was amazing. Can I hear you say it again? Good job. Now on to the next. Wow, I'm sure you've not heard of this before. If you have, let me know in the comment section. Ogiri, I can hear you. Ogiri, great job. Now that's fantastic. The next one, Igbale, I can hear you. Again, Igbale, great job. Now that is good. Igbale. The next one, it's not really popular, but yes, people say this a lot when they want to call the window or say something about the window. Fèrèsé. Can I hear you say it? Fèrèsé. Good job. Now you're starting to look like a pro. Good job. What about this? Ago. I have a what? I have ago. Money ago. Ago. Great job. Can I hear you say it one more time? You are a pro. Diki, fantastic. Again, great. Now that is amazing. Again, Diki. Can we say it together now? Diki Kushe. I'm so proud of you. Now let's look at this. What's the first one? Diki. Ooh, you got it right. What about number 7? Ogiri. I hope you got that right. What about number 2? Fèrèsé. Beautiful. Now that is amazing. Good job. What about number 6? You can't remember? Can I help you out? Yes, it's a. But good job. Now that is amazing. Good work. Can you say it again? But good. Now the last one, number 5. What is that? Ìgbálẹ̀. Good job, Igbale. Kushen, I'm so proud of you. Take all of my stars, all of my love, take it with you. Good job. Now, thank you so much for watching this video with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow my channel for more. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah. Esther Learning Academy signing out.